Hey, it's been at least 2,000 days since I made the first part of this video. I'm gonna put exactly how many days it actually has been. The clay is finally ready for me to roll out the slabs to make the tiles, so that's what we're gonna do right now. I have like 15 minutes. My boyfriend is on his way to pick me up. Current situation. This is significantly easier. He's calling me. Ah! $10 minutes? Okay. Okay, I'll see you soon. I just cut this into the clay. Oh, it's gonna look so good. We're gonna use this guy, this coaster. Oh my gosh, I didn't realize he has bumpies. Gosh. So good. And this is what we took off. Smash. I can probably roll this out and make a whole other tile with it. I just wanted to minimize the amount that I would have to cut off. It is an egg. Don't ever talk to me and my son again. It's stuck. Clay is amazing, but it's also a pain in the butt. I have the worst tripod known to man. Ooh, so close. I really like finding faces and things. This kind of looks like a face. 2 eyeballs and sort of a mouth nose here. Just some sort of character. Not sure what it is, but it's something. I'm back. More of the tiles have dried out enough that I can start piling them into the kiln. There are still 2 tiles that haven't finished drying yet, and whenever they are ready, we'll make some more footage. That'll be the next video. It has been this many days since the last video. It is so challenging to create content while doing stuff with ceramics because clay takes so long to dry and you want it to dry slowly so that cracks don't get introduced to your pieces. I found this extremely challenging for the 1 year that I really focused in and honed all of my skills in clay working. People want to see the process from start to finish, and that is really hard to do in short form content because of the time it takes between each stage. I think that this longer form content is probably the best way to do it. It makes me really discombobulated if I am trying to reconstitute clay in one part of my studio and then be throwing plates and then having a bunch of things to trim. Like, it's very unorganized, and really my brain works the best if I'm doing like one part of the process at a time. So that is why I really struggled trying to make consistent content that made sense. So that's why this year I am trying out the long form content. I think that this will be better suited for me. Let's get these tiles into the kiln. It's over there. You can't see it, but it's over there. I just got this hat today. This is very like my vibe.